Hi, Jason from TGN again. All right, so today we're going to talk about MikroTik as usual. All right, other than all the brands that we carry. Okay, so today we have a very special guest. Okay, so the guest that we have here today is the audience. Okay, so some of you may have heard about the audience. Within the audience itself, there are quite a number of SKUs, which are different part numbers. Okay, so for today we're going to talk about the audience that has built-in LTE functionality. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you. So I'm going to turn it around. Okay, so for today's topic, okay, we're going to talk about the Audience LTE6. Okay, so this particular model comes with a Cat6 4G LTE modem. Okay, so you can get 300 megabits of download, okay, 150 megabits of upload. Okay, so I'm going to do the unboxing and open up the unit for all to see. Let me flip it around to face you. Okay, so this is the opening. It's very elegant for MikroTik. So you have the quick user guide. It comes with a flat Cat6 cable included. Okay, the power adapter. Remove it. Okay. So this is the power adapter that's provided. Okay, let me lift up the unit itself. Okay. Okay, let me put it down. Let this to the side. Okay. So this is the unit itself. You can see the size of my hand, the palms. All right. There are all the heat dissipation pins. Okay. So where do we plug in the SIM card? Okay. So this is where you plug in the micro SIM card. All right. And on top of that, you have your DC jack. Okay. So this is where you have the DC jack, and it comes with two Rj45 ports. Okay. So for you to do any kind of configuration that is required. Or other than that, when you purchase this unit, it's a tri-band access point. So it has 3 different radios. So you have 2 5 gig and 1 2.4. And at the same time, you can still utilize one of the 5 gig as your bridge to another audience. So that's meshing. Okay, so in case if you have a deployment where you need to purchase multiple units, you can purchase another audience with or without LTE functionality, okay, as your mesh point. Now, the advantage is if you were to purchase 2 similar units, okay, you can configure them as failover with different ISPs, with different telcos for your LTEs. Okay, so in the example that you can have one unit for ISP A for telco A, another unit for telco B. Alright, so in case if anything goes wrong with either of the telco signals, alright, there will be a failover. You can do the configurations that way. Which is something very extremely unique in the market, which you can't find or see in any other brands. Okay, so that's one thing that MikroTik is very good at. Okay, you have additional functionalities and features. All right, it's all there for you and it's totally free. No license, no subscription needed. All right, thank you very much.